Now to the coronavirus pandemic here in Maryland. We are closing in on 300,000 cases since the start of this pandemic, with another 3,700 new cases in the last 24 hours. Other key metrics, they have also increased. Johns Hopkins scientists believe the country could see 400,000 deaths nationwide by the end of this month. WJZ is live at 6. Avajoy Burnett has much more on these grim figures locally and what local officials are planning to do. Avajoy.
Nicole, good evening to you. Right now, we're just a few hundred cases away from that grim milestone, 300,000 positive coronavirus cases here in the state of Maryland. So from the president-elect to the governor to the mayor here in Baltimore City, so many of these leaders are trying to figure out what to do to stop the spread. This, as you mentioned, Johns Hopkins said we've reached a record milestone, more than 4,000 deaths in a single day. Johns Hopkins COVID-19 data tracker reports a record 4,085 people died in the United States in a single day from COVID-19. That broke the previous record that occurred just the day before. And Maryland is adding to those troubling numbers. The state now has 6,047 coronavirus deaths and more than 299,000 confirmed COVID-19 cases, just a few hundred shy of 300,000. Johns Hopkins University experts say we may be seeing the start of a post-Christmas Day surge.
I think it's going to be a minimum of 3 weeks to a month. What we keep seeing is that often the surges happen a bit silently at first.
Local jurisdictions are also seeing a spike. Baltimore's health commissioner said 671 people have died in the city. The mayor says he will continue to watch the numbers before he lifts restrictions.
We know this is tough. We know this is hard. But we also know that people are dying. And that's the most important thing that we have to understand.
Hard-hit businesses have had to make tough decisions. Some restaurants like Mount Washington Tavern decided to close temporarily. But Max's Tap House in Fells Point is still pushing forward. They've revamped their menu to focus on carry-out.
It's really hard. Carry-out only is not sustainable for very long. And I say that not just for our business, but for businesses across the city. It's really, really challenging.
And we want to talk about the vaccine for a little bit. The state's vaccine tracker says about 111,000 people have already gotten that first dose, and about 2,900 people have gotten the second shot of the COVID-19 vaccine. Live tonight at 6. Avajoy Burnett for WJZ.